Well, the Wandering Canucks are on a Western Air flight, and we are just taxiing to position runway 14 at the Lyndon Pindling Airport. We did have traffic land just ahead of us, so there might be a slight delay in our departure. We are departing down to the southeast. Oh, there we go. The engines are firing up. Second roll before we're airborne. Well, there you go. We're the Wandering Canucks through one cloud layer. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We're the Wandering Canucks.